This is HardReset.Info, and today we would like to demonstrate and preview and review all available gestures and motions that this device has to offer. Alrighty, so to begin with, let's open the list. So we'll need to go to Settings, then Accessibility Features category, then Shortcut and Gestures. So to begin with, we can hold Google power button for a single second to launch Google Assistant, or hold it down for 3 seconds to power off the device. So let's try the first thing out. Works just fine, and let's hold it for 3 seconds. And
short 3 seconds.
We'll get the power off menu as well, so great success. Moving forward, we have the shortcut or gesture for the screenshot. Two of them, so we can either take a screenshot by knuckle. So one knuckle will get us a regular one. 2-finger knuckle will start the screen recording. We can capture the certain area of the screen by tapping and drawing the partial screenshot area, or the area for the partial screenshot. We can also make a scroll shot by drawing a letter S with our knuckle, or take a scrolling screenshot, whatever, and take a regular screenshot with through swiping our 3 fingers down. Next one in the agenda is record the screen, but we've already reviewed it, so we'll skip it and move to the wake screen gestures. So there are 2 of those, motions. There are 2 of those to raise our phone to wake up the screen, or double tap it. Let's try them both. So I'm raising the phone, the screen gets enabled, and if I'll double tap, it gets enabled as well. Next one is to mute ringtone or reduce volume. So in order for you to mute ringtone, you just gotta flip your phone like so. If you want to reduce the volume, just raise your phone towards yourself. And final one is to automatic call answer, the shortcut or motion for it. So once enabled, it allows you to just instead of getting an incoming call, tapping on a button, then raising it to your ear, you can just as soon as you see that somebody is calling you, just raise your phone straight to your ear, and the call will be automatically answered. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.